How are you feeling? Yeah? Are you happy with the documentary?
No comment.
Hello everyone, Ganuchi Sanok and welcome to my channel. So that was back in September 2025. It was actually the last time we heard Dr. Nandipha Magudumana responding to a journalist. She was in jovial spirit. Her outfit was even matching Bester's. Fast forward to May 2026, there's a lady who has been linked to Bester. Convicted murderer and rapist Thabo Bester has struck again. First it was a whole doctor and businesswoman Nandipha Magudumana, now a prominent CEO of a property group and head of corporate support at the housing development. Naledi Khatla is the latest lady to be linked to Thabo Bester. Naledi is allegedly Thabo Bester's new paymaster when it comes to his legal fees, a convicted murderer and rapist serving a life sentence. According to multiple sources and documents seen by reporters, Naledi is allegedly not only closely associated with Bester, but also involved in coordinating some of the legal teams defending Bester in the prison case. The prison case dates back to 2023 when Thabo Bester and his partner Dr. Nandipha Magudumana were caught in Tanzania and later deported to South Africa to face charges. Thabo Bester escaped the Mangaung Correctional Center in Bloemfontein in May 2022 by faking his death. A fire broke out in his prison cell and a burnt body was found inside, which initially led authorities to believe he had died. His escape was later linked to assistance from G4S prison officials and his partner, Dr. Nandipha Magudumana, who is reported to have helped remove a body from a mortuary and support him while he was on the run. When it comes to Naledi Khatla being Thabo Bester's new funder, sources were quoted to have said the following. One source said she has a close relationship with Thabo since they brought him back from Tanzania. She even visits him in prison. I don't know why she would involve herself with a convict. Another source said, sadly, the extent of the financial legal support for Bester by Naledi Khatla doesn't even extend to poor Nandipha Magudumana. If the source is telling the truth that Nandipha Magudumana is on her own financially, whilst Bester has gotten another funder, then it must cut very deep. Not after the despicable sacrifices Nandipha allegedly made for Thabo Bester, traveling from Joburg to Bloemfontein so many times to see her skebenga, housing a convicted rapist and murderer in plain sight for almost a year, even exposing her daughters to him. Her own father also stands accused of allegedly helping Bester escape. Nandipha is facing serious charges including fraud, violating a body, corruption, arson, assisting a convicted murderer escape, harboring and concealing an escaped prisoner, and defeating the ends of justice. Nandipha used to make the same conjugal visits that Naledi is now allegedly making, but Nandipha has been trapped since her arrest in 2023. To make matters worse, her mother passed away in March 2026 while she's still locked up awaiting trial, all because of her despicable sacrifices for Thabo Bester. So allegations that Thabo Bester has a new funder in a form of CEO Naledi Khatla and that financial legal support does not even include Nandipha, that must sting. If these allegations are true, then Thabo Bester replaced Dr. Nandipha in a blink of an eye. I mean, the guy was serving a life sentence, yet he was still able to connect to professionals like Dr. Nandipha and making them travel from Johannesburg to Bloemfontein, making them risk it all to assist him escape. It is no surprise that he allegedly found the CEO, that is Naledi. Nandipha is behind bars. She's no use for him anymore. By the way, these allegations surfaced during a legal dispute involving Advocate Mshe, who is demanding 35,000 rands in legal fees connected to Thabo Bester's case. Advocate Mshe is demanding the money from attorney Dinana Reid, but here's a plot twist. Dinana says she did not appoint Advocate Mshe and that he was appointed by none other than CEO Naledi Khatla. According to Dinana, Naledi approached her in 2023 while seeking legal representation for what she described as a friend, who allegedly turned out to be none other than Thabo Bester. Dinana further claimed that Naledi told her Advocate Mshe wanted to meet Bester's legal team and arranged a consultation. She said this was the first time she met Thabo Bester and emphasized that Advocate Mshe was hired by Naledi. She also stated that Naledi was paying her legal fees and that Advocate Mshe should be paid by Naledi because Naledi directly engaged with him on the Bester matter. The court documents shared by reports show Naledi Khatla as plaintiff. Naledi has since denied being linked to Bester. She reportedly said she does not appoint lawyers and the connection between her company and Thabo Bester was initiated when Thabo Bester wanted her company, Truth Be Told, to do his journal. because that is the type of work her company does. An offer to do Thabo Bester's journal, I see it enticing even big publications. The story was huge, it was even covered on Netflix. So I can see Thabo Bester enticing this lady with a huge journal offer, only for her to end up paying for Thabo Bester's legal fees. I mean, this guy used to advertise lucrative modeling jobs only to steal laptops. That's just one story among many of his scams. So besides being a rapist and murderer, Thabo has been scamming people for years. That's why this Naledi lady was never supposed to meet with Bester if they met at all, regardless of how enticing or professional the offer sounded. Maybe it came from their lawyers. Yo, the danger and conundrum that is Thabo Bester. Like, how does he keep getting these professionals and high-profile ladies whilst behind bars? This guy got a wholesome-ish actress, pastor's kid, Simphiwe Ngema, visiting him in prison. A girl traveled from Joburg to Bloemfontein to see Bester, claiming she went there to demand her money or something like that. Demanding money from a prisoner. Hi. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.